Okay, I'm just making this video. I got a 2016 Chevy Camaro. It was overheating when I was sitting still for a long time. I thought maybe it was the coolant. I had the coolant filled up, and it still did it. And then I found out my fan was not kicking on whatsoever. If you turn the air conditioning on, your fan should kick on within 30 to 45 seconds. Mine wasn't doing it at all. So I ended up getting a new fan, and it is not easy to take apart, to take out. A lot of things I learned. You got to make sure you have positive and negative on these. Make sure you got two of them. One's positive, one's negative, and then you got, it's called it's a little pin right inside there. I heard it was called a LIN bus pin, and you're not supposed to. You can't just check it just normally. You have to have a certain tester because these are electric fans. I bought this, and I haven't used it yet. I just I put my fan, my new one, on top of here and plugged it in, and then turned the AC on, and it kicked on. So I know this one, the new one, is good. So in order to take the old one out, you have to take a lot out. You have to take the lower panel. The panel's right there. You have to disconnect all the radiator holes except for the one way down there. I did not have to disconnect that one. I did have to disconnect the transmission line right there on top. Take my air breather box off. I had to take this one off. I had to take the lower one out too, which was not easy at all. I was trying to do it with my air box on, and once I took that out, I got a lot more room now. So, and then when you do pull it out, you got to kind of pull it up to this side and push it out, and then pull it up, because you got to get past that hole is right there, and they set right in these little brackets. The new one does. You just got to make sure you don't hit your radiator too, but it sets right in there too. Anyways, a lot of people said it could be this, the thermostat. I forgot what this is, the thermostat. A lot of people said this. If your fan is staying on all the time, your thermostat is stuck on. Let me turn this light off. If you ain't showing no temperature at all, it might be this right here. Yeah. So, but if your fan is not kicking on whatsoever and your temperature gauge works, it could be your fan. And where I got the fan, they want $900 for it at the dealership and AutoZone. I bought it off Amazon for 160 bucks. It's exactly the same. A lot of people won't do that, but it's exactly identical to this one. So just thought I'd make this quick video real quick. Yeah, hopefully it helps someone out. I know it would have helped me out a lot. I did watch another one, and this other guy said the same thing. He had to take all the stuff off. And I was going to take the whole radiator out, but there's clips that you can't get to, and it all worked out. So if you have a big, there is a drain plug. That's another thing. There's a drain plug on the passenger side. It's yellow, to drain all your fluid, which I'll just show you real quick. You have to, like I said, take out all this, but the drain plug is right there. And yeah, that was nice to have too. So anyways, like I said, hopefully this helps someone. And yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.